going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Yes, we're finally bringing you guys some Mustang content. We're currently on our way to a first meetup spot to the cruise we're going to be taking. It's going to be at Costco, and then we're going to be meeting at San Benito, and then we're going to take off to the beach, South Padre Island. Unfortunately, it is raining. Kind of stopped already, but all week it was announced to rain. They even said flood watch. They started giving out sandbags, like watch, here's a storm. It rained for like 5 minutes each day, and then that's it. And today it decides to finally start pouring on the day that we're gonna head out on a cruise. But it's starting to look a little better right now. Last time we had a cruise with South Texas Speed, it was a really good turnout. I didn't go to that one, but there was about over maybe 80 cars, I want to say. So South Texas Speed was on the down low for a while. They stepped aside, and now they're finally back. So this is their first big cruise in like over a year, probably, or two. So it should be a pretty good one. I'm gonna meet Coffee and the rest of the guys there. Hopefully, I'm not too late. I know they're set to take off in the next couple of minutes, so I might arrive just in time, or I catch them as they're taking off. Off to the side to one of the meetup spots, so we're gonna go ahead and just walk you guys around. Probably about 50-60 cars currently. Got Camaros, Mustangs, everything, Chargers. Eddie's 2-valve. Frank's 5.0. Coffee Scat.
What the fuck? Güey, se baja con la pinche bolsa y dije, güey, pinche mamón, agarró preferido. ¿Para quién es, güey?
Sí, hey. What do you got?
Got a sausage.
ASMR. Oh, fuck. I do it again. I do it slow mo. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is better because this guy ya no hay pinche como quiera con la arena. So.
Damn. It's a whole ass plane. Looks like more rain's upon us, guys, but I just wanted to bring you guys along for a quick little cruise. It was pretty cool. A lot of different cars. It's been a while since I've been in a cruise, since I've been part of the car scene in general. Now that STS is back, there should be more car content coming soon. These guys like to be real active. But yeah, man, look, check it out. Everybody's already taking off. Rain's coming down hard, at least right there. But yeah, guys, catch you guys on the next one. God bless.